Hey there, gadget enthusiasts. Welcome to I Know Gadgets, where we dive into the latest tech to keep you ahead of the curve. Today, we're focusing on all you budding photographers out there with our roundup of the top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2024. So if you're looking to capture life's moments with clarity and creativity, stick around. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Ricoh GR IIIx. This compact powerhouse is perfect for those who want professional-grade images without the bulk of a DSLR. With its sharp lens and user-friendly interface, the GR IIIx is a pocket-sized wonder that's ready for any adventure. Ideal for street photography and everyday shots. Delivers detailed images with rich color. Easily fits in your pocket or purse. Coming in at number 4, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3/250D is the DSLR that proves bigger isn't always better. It's lightweight, feature-packed, and offers a guided menu system that makes it a breeze for beginners to navigate through the world of photography. Compose shots from any angle with ease. Step into the world of ultra-high-definition video. Learn as you shoot with on-screen tips. Number 3 on our list is the retro-styled Nikon Z. This camera isn't just about looks, it's a fusion of classic design and modern technology. The Z is a statement piece that doesn't skimp on performance, making it a fantastic choice for those who appreciate aesthetics as much as functionality. Mechanical dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation. Perfect for vlogs and selfies. Captures stunning images with Nikon's color science. The runner-up in our list, the Olympus OMD EN10IV, is a marvel of features packed into a compact body. Its in-body stabilization ensures sharp images even in shaky hands, and the flip-down touchscreen is a vlogger's dream. Say goodbye to camera shake. High resolution meets high performance. Frame your selfie shots and vlogs with precision. And the top spot goes to the Canon EOS R100. This mirrorless marvel is the gateway to professional photography for beginners. With its intuitive design and cutting-edge autofocus technology, the EOS R100 makes capturing stunning photos a walk in the park. Fast and accurate autofocus in any situation. Makes learning photography fun and easy. The power of a DSLR without the weight. There you have it, folks, the top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2024. Whether you're snapping pics on the go or planning your next big project, these cameras are sure to kickstart your photography journey. Remember, the links to buy these cameras are in the description below and the first comment. Thanks for watching I Know Gadgets, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Keep capturing the world one click at a time.